Good day to all Hong Kong employers. My name is Catherine Alvarado from Philippines. I'm 40 years old and I'm single. My height is 5 feet tall. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. I work in Hong Kong for almost 8 years with the same employer. I serve 3 members of the family including mom and sir and a 2-year-old girl. My duties and responsibilities there, I do all the household chores like cooking, washing, cleaning, ironing, car washing, marketing. I do take care of the baby, pick and bring her up in school, and also tutor to her. We have also pets, 2 dogs and 2 cats to take care of. I can cook different kinds of dishes, Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed pork, steamed chicken, fried vegetables, and I also cook different kind of soup. And I can sing also children's song like Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And I also read some books to them and I can do tutoring to them. I am an honest and responsible and reliable helper. Mom and Sir, I hope to choose me as one of your helper. Thank you and God bless us all.